Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. Make sure you stay tuned for the bloopers for after the video. Oh, yo, welcome back to our channel guys. We're going to the local off-road store to pick up a high lift jack for my mom's Jeep right now on a mount. And then we'll see what else we can get into while we're on our way. So we're out here just trying to find something else we can spend our money on currently. Right now we're getting a high lift jack and a mount for the hood. But now we're just kind of moseying around, see what else we can get ourselves into and make some good videos for you guys. Yo, what's up guys? So we're back. We're headed back to the house. We had just got the cast-in steel 48-inch high lift jack in black. We got the cast-in steel one because we're not going to be using it for all the time. It's just for in case of emergencies, obviously. We also got the hood mounts for the JK because going on our red Jeep that we have, 2013, and it's going to sit up on the hood, and we will get you back as soon as we get back to the headquarters.
So why don't you tell our 10 viewers what Jeeps you've had in the past?
So I've had a 2006 Jeep Wrangler TJ. I've also had a 2011 Jeep Wrangler JKU. And then I had a 2020 Toyota Tacoma for a while.
That's not a Jeep.
No, it's not. But that led me back to the Jeeps. That I had that for a while, thought I didn't want a Jeep anymore, and then I decided that's not the case, and I ended up trading that in on our 2021 Jeep Wrangler diesel, and then after that I traded our RAV in on my 2021 Jeep Gladiator. What's up guys? We're back here at the headquarters, and we ended up getting this high lift jack, and we got the high lift hood mounts for the 2013 to present, and this is all going to go on the 2013 Moab JKU. We have the Smittybilt XRC bumper with a Smittybilt 9,500 pound winch. We got bushwhacker fenders. We have 35-inch Toyo RTs with raceline wheels. Around back we got the Smittybilt heavy duty tire carrier. And we had to buy this because the 35-inch spare tire that we have, it rattled the tailgate and whatnot, so we ended up upgrading that. But the Moab in general comes pretty loaded. It's got the steel rear bumper, it's got the rock sliders. What's up guys? So we're here, we're about ready to install the high lift jack mount. Things you're gonna need a T50 Torx bit. I'm gonna go ahead and just start undoing these. It's probably a little hard to get off because it's never been taken off, and so the paint and all that. I want to make sure that you save these bolts. You're not going to be using them in the install. They provide you with hardware, but if you decide later on you want to take the high lift jack off, you want to be able to have it to be able to put these back on. Then you want to take these little rubber washers, you want to put them inside of here just like this. You're going to end up putting this thing on here. They provide you with M8 bolts, and so you're going to want to put these in here, start them hand tight before you start torquing them down or tightening them with your Allen key. Alright guys, so side one is done. We're gonna come over to this side of the vehicle. Now we're gonna do the driver's side. It's gonna be the same thing. We are now going to go ahead and start installing the high lift jack. You're gonna need another person to help you do this, because you don't have to, but it makes things a lot easier if you do. Just because it is really heavy. You come back to me, Josh. Right about there. So that's it installed. So we had to move this closer to me, more so than we would have liked, so it's not completely centered on the hood, just because this is a Moab. So you have these little ribs inside this hood, and all the mechanisms for this is down here. So then we're gonna go ahead and install this little plastic piece. I'm not really sure what it does, but it came with it, so I figured we should probably put it on there. We have our little twist knob. We will end up getting a locking one here in the near future. This kit does not come with one for some reason, but we got that. That one's on. Come over here to the driver's side. Same thing. Just got this. Put it on this little bad boy and spin it on. So now we're gonna go ahead and take this for a test drive and see if that high lift jack will end up rattling or not. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Make sure you put your hit the bell to keep your post notifications on. If you want all the inside scoop to our videos, remember to follow us on Instagram at Cherry City Adventures, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Thing from the off-road store. No, restart that. Ended up having these rivets in it. And there's an airplane. I don't know, can you still hear me? Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Alright, guys, we're done with this video. I was like crap. Hey guys. Hey guys, welcome to our video. Nope, okay, restart. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Remember to stay tuned for the bloopers at the end of the channel, or